Hey everybody, welcome back for week 10 of your PE. I know that many of you are going to be start coming back within the next couple weeks. So I am super excited to start seeing you guys back face to face. So this week, week 10, we are going to be having some fall fun in our classes this week. So for my kindergarten through second grade, we're going to be playing a game called Pumpkin Patch Hunt. And I have taken some paper plate pumpkins and I have attached a picture of some type of character or item or something that has to do with Halloween. And I will spread them all out on one end of our pavilion area. And then we're going to have teams 8 teams, and each team is looking for a different Halloween character or picture. And there are 6 of them hidden somewhere in the pumpkin patch. So students are going to be working on using various locomotor skills as they move down to try to find their matches. It's very similar to the game Memory. So if you've ever played Memory, so they are going to use a clothespin and clip the paper plate and then bring it up just enough for them to look under it to see if it's their picture. And if it's their picture, they're going to take it back with them. If it's not what they're looking for, they're going to put the paper plate back down, unclip it, and then go back, and then their teammate will have a try. So that's what we're going to be working on at school. That's how our game's going to be. So for you, you've got a couple different things this week that are related to Halloween. So you've got your warm up, and this is a Would You Rather Halloween activity. So we have done Would You Rathers before in other assignments. So this one has to do on Halloween with Halloween. So you're going to do that activity. And then you've got this game called the Ghosts and Goblins. There are 2 levels. So this would be level 1, right? So do level 1, and then you're going to go back and you're going to do level 2. After you've done that, I have you doing some fall fun with yo-yo. Okay. So that's there for you to do. That also has some fun on it. And then the last thing I put for you is the Great Pumpkin Run. So it's kind of based off the story, The Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. So you can take a look at that and participate in that. And then, of course, if there's extra time, make sure you get outside and do some type of exercise or activity to use up the rest of your time. Your grade level standards are here. I didn't link them yet, but I will go back and obviously they will be linked there. So make sure you check them out. So your standards, get back to your standards here. Here we go. Okay, so for the standards, we were talking about kindergarten. You're identifying the benefits of continuing to participate when not successful on the first try. So we know that oftentimes when we go to do something and we are not successful on the first try, we can sometimes tend to get upset and we're not very happy and we want to give up. So in our game this week that we're playing at school, we're going to be learning to deal with if I didn't pick the right one the first time, that's okay. I'm going to get to go again and hopefully on the second try or the third try. So eventually the goal is that I get it, even if it takes lots of tries. First grade, you're going to identify your feelings resulting from participation in physical activity. So when you're exercising, doing any type of activity, what are your feelings? How does it make you feel? Second grade, you're going to describe the personal feelings resulting from challenges, successes, and failures in physical activity. So as I told you in our activity, it is going to be a challenge trying to find the 6 pictures that match your picture in amongst lots and lots of pumpkins plates. Hopefully you're going to experience some success. The students will hopefully be able to find theirs, and when they find it, they're going to be like, yes, they're going to be excited and experience success. But also they're going to have to learn how to deal with some failures. Failures when we did not get it, whether it was our first try, second try, third try, right? But knowing that when we experience failure, we still need to continue to try. So those are standards for kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is I know many of you are probably going to be going out for trick-or-treating, and I don't know if I spoke on the video last week, but when I was talking with the classes at school along with nutrition, I reminded them that Miss Best does not tell you that you cannot eat junk food, candy, right? But what I do tell you is to eat it in moderation. Moderation is small amounts. So that means if I have a bag of Skittles, instead of sitting down and eating all the Skittles in the first time, maybe I just have 5 or 10 Skittles and then I put the bag away for another day. So as you are out there, make sure you're being safe. Try to have bright clothing on, or stuff that wear things, the lights and stuff that make it so you can be seen easily, and just be safe. And I look forward to seeing many of you in the next couple weeks. And if you're not coming back yet, that's okay too. I will continue to provide you lessons as you continue to work from home. So I hope you guys have a great week this week, and I will look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.